Hey mama, welcome to week 5. This flow will give you gentle breathing tools to calm nausea and early pregnancy anxiety, build strength in your legs and hips to support the weeks ahead, and create space in your body to ease bloating and fatigue. Let's slow down together. We'll start in Sukhasana with breaths. Inhale, sit tall, crown of your head lifts. As you exhale, let your shoulders melt, jaw softening. I know week 5 can feel overwhelming. Sometimes you're still wrapping your head around the fact that you're pregnant, but just being here and breathing is enough. On an inhale, bring both arms up overhead. As you exhale, your left hand grounds, right arm sweeps up overhead, ribs open here, gazing soft. Exhale, switch sides. Right hand meets the mat, left arm sweeps up overhead. Continue to flow the cycles of your breath. Continue to root down with your hips. And on every inhale, open up with your ribs and side body. Last time. Exhale, hands back down. Begin to do neck rolls now. Inhale, chin to chest. As you exhale, slowly roll your ear from shoulder to shoulder. If you're carrying tension or headaches, gentle neck rolls bring relief. Remember to bring your shoulders down your back. Just let everything go here. Let's move into seated cat-cow. Keeping your hands on your knees, as you inhale, chest forward, arch your spine, and look up. As you exhale, round your back and bring your chin to your chest. Continue to flow with your breath now. This movement helps digestion and helps ease bloating, which is a big symptom in week 5, as progesterone slows everything down. Feel your spine and your neck opening up here. And remember to connect with your baby. Let's move into wrist circles now. Bringing hands in front of you, begin to move your wrists in one direction and then the other. This motion helps keep circulation moving. Transition now to thread the needle. Coming to all fours, hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. Inhale, lift your right arm up to the sky. As you exhale, thread your arm underneath your shoulder. To relieve more upper back tension, extend your left arm straight out in front of you, resting the palm of your hand on the mat. Breathe into your shoulder blades here. Relax your jaw. Relax your cheekbones. Relax your forehead. Exhale, release this pose and switch sides. Thread the needle now with your left arm, extending your right arm up overhead, palm meeting the mat. Imagine any stress or tension melting into the mat here. When you're ready, come back to all fours. Let's transition now to bird dog. Extend your left leg back behind you, and if it feels good for you today, extend your right arm out in front of you. Exhale, release. Switch sides now, extending your right leg behind you, left arm in front of you. Start to move with your breath now, switching from side to side. An easy modification is to just do one limb at a time. So instead of doing arm and leg, you can choose to just do one leg or one arm. This is a safe and gentle way to reconnect with your core. Flow now into hip circles on all fours. Slowly circle your hips in one direction. When you're ready, switch directions. Move now into downward facing dog. Walk your hands a few inches forward, tuck your toes, and on an inhale, lift your hips. As you exhale, begin pedaling your heels. Down dog is so good for restless legs, a common early pregnancy complaint. Continue to press your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, look forward, and slowly walk forward into forward fold, keeping your knees bent. Feel free to grab opposite elbows here. Let your spine and your head and your neck hang heavy here, releasing pressure. Bringing your hands back to the mat, inhale and come up to a flat back, halfway lift. As you exhale, step your right foot back, coming into low lunge. Drop your back knee and gaze ahead. Focus on opening your hips here, stretching your psoas, a muscle that can pull on your low back while your uterus grows. As you inhale, transition into half Hanuman. Straighten your front leg and exhale, fold over. Breathe into your hamstrings here, letting any tension go. Don't worry about folding too deep here. Just be mindful of your hamstrings and the rest of your body. Inhale, come back to low lunge. Tuck your back toes and move back to forward fold. Let everything go here. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. As you exhale, switch sides now. Step your left foot back, knee stacking over your front ankle. Drop your back knee and gaze ahead. Notice if this side feels a little tighter. Most of us have one hip that's more open than the other. On an inhale, shift your hips backwards, straighten your front leg, and fold over your front leg for half Hanuman. Continue to breathe naturally here. Release this pose, come back to low lunge. Tuck your back toes, gaze forward, and step forward into forward fold. Notice how your legs feel, your hips feel, and your back. Maybe you feel a bit more open. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge, step your right foot back. Spin your back heel down, and inhale, lift up into Warrior Two, extending both arms in opposite directions out at a T. Keep strong legs now, as they will support you. Gaze past your front fingertips, steady and focused. Remember to keep a generous bend in your front knee. On an inhale, shift to reverse warrior. Straighten your front leg, drop your back arm down on your thigh, and lift your front arm up overhead, gazing past your top arm. Breathe into your side body here. Let's transition to goddess pose now. From reverse warrior, straighten both legs, bringing hands to hips. Turn your toes outward now, heels coming in. As you exhale, sink down into goddess pose. Feel free to move your hands wherever it feels good today. Feel your legs firing up. And begin to do pulses. On every inhale, straighten your legs. On every exhale, sink down into your hips for goddess pose. Keep these movements slow and steady. Let's do one more pulse. Transition back to warrior 2 now, gazing over your front hand. On an exhale, windmill your arms down, coming to low lunge. Inhale, forward fold. Let's switch sides. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step left foot back for low lunge. Spin your back heel down and windmill your arms up for warrior 2, gazing over your front hand. Arms out to a T. Roll your shoulders down here and lengthen your side body. Breathe into your foundation. On an inhale, come into reverse warrior. Straighten your front leg, drop your back arm down onto your thigh, and lift your front arm up overhead, gazing up. Feel the length in your side body. Let's transition now to goddess pose. From a wide stance, hands on hips, bring heels in, toes pointing out. As you exhale, sink your hips down towards the mat. And begin to do pulses in goddess pose. On an inhale, straighten your legs. Exhale, sink your hips. These tiny movements fire up your inner thighs, which is incredible prep for birth and labor. Transition back to warrior 2, gazing over your front hand. On an exhale, windmill your arms down to low lunge. Inhale, look forward and step forward into forward fold. Take slow, deep breaths here, letting your body reset. Come to take a seat on the mat now. Heels touching, knees out wide for bound angle pose. As you inhale, lift your chest. And on an exhale, fold gently over your feet. This pose supports pelvic floor opening and can help ease any early constipation or digestive sluggishness. Transition now to child's pose, bringing knees wide, toes to touch, and walking your arms out in front of you. This is your home base. Anytime nausea or fatigue hit, this is the pose to come back to. Let everything go here. Let's move into our final resting pose, side lying Sukhasana. You can bring a pillow between your knees, hand to your belly, arm resting underneath your neck for support. Just let yourself be here, fully supported. Feel your breath, feel your baby, and feel peace as you rest. Coming back to your practice, keeping your eyes shut, come up to a seated position. Just begin to notice your breath. Express gratitude for showing up today, for supporting yourself and your baby. Today you made space, you built gentle strength, and you created calmness in your body. On an inhale, bring both arms up overhead. Exhale to prayer position at third eye. Namaste. Thank you for showing up this week. I'd love to know in the comments how your pregnancy is going so far. Until next time, I'll see you in week 6.